Hi, my name is David Z of David Z Design, and I'm going to show you how to create Valentine centerpieces. We have a black fishbowl in here that we had our hyacinths in there. So we're going to remove it, bring it to the center. As you know, roses are very popular, so we're going to be using our Ecuadorian roses and start hand opening every single one of them, cutting them in an angle, placing them in the vase like this. It's very simple, it's very elegant, it's to the point, and it's going to take you about 5 minutes to finish up a centerpiece. And we're going to go ahead and continue with the roses. What I also like to do is just take off the petals in the actual rose. What we do, we kind of create that English garden rose with this effect, and you're placing it next to the other one and continue like this. These are 70 centimeter Ecuadorian roses, which we received yesterday, and they will last you for another 10 days if you change the water and add a cup full of bleach onto the water. These are simple centerpieces. We can go as crazy as we want to. And what I like to do is grab a bunch of anemones. I love these flowers, they're really cool looking, and just placing them right around the edge, or on top of, more like, of the roses. Just have them in groupings of 3. Right here. And just continue with the roses. What I could do here, add a couple more gardenias to have that red and white effect, and you will have beautiful, beautiful, beautiful arrangements and beautiful flowers in one vase. Or you can go ahead and cut some of these beautiful white orchids and place them on top, maybe only on one side of the arrangement, such as this, and have it droop down or fall down, as you want to call it. This is one way of creating an arrangement, and I hope you like it. Thank you.